built by Team 30 for the course CS 6440, Introduction to Health Informatics. And this is the team that comprises of 6 members. Nate and Bhargavi that worked on the back-end portion of this application, Nebiu and Purity who worked on the front end, and Mohit and Guha, that's myself. And we took care of the project management, business analysis, and quality assurance aspects of this project. And we thoroughly enjoyed working on this application, and we hope you like it too as we navigate you through the application. And we wanted to mention one thing before we start the demo. Our team member Purity is on a completely different time zone in Kenya, and because of the technical issues, we could not find an overlapping time zone that we could have her on. But her contributions has been pretty good throughout the semester, and it was an excellent teamwork in this team. And with that being said, and without much further ado, over to Nate for walking us through the demo. Nate?
All right, so I'm going to walk you through a quick overview of some of the features of this product. We have a login screen where we can sign up the users, as well as a sign up screen for new users. I'm going to log in really quick so that we can show some of the basic features of our product. So we have a basic info page which gives all the information about a user, their weight, BMI, current conditions, name, gender, date of birth, all that jazz. We also grab all of their prescriptions from FHIR, so the idea is that anything that a patient's doctor put in as a prescription, they would be able to come here and see as many prescriptions as they had. My user only has one right now, but we could have many. These can also all be exported as a JSON and saved by the user to be used in other systems to improve interoperability amongst different healthcare apps. We also allow patients to record basic metrics about themselves in order to help them keep track of things like their weight, and in order to make sure that their health providers have the latest and up-to-date observations about this user in case they need care quickly. We also allow patients to record any conditions that they might have. So for instance, if a user suffers from type 1 diabetes and arthritis, we can record that information here, and those conditions will show up on their basic info page. We also do some helpful graphs for our patients to allow them to track their health over time. So here we see things like a patient's weight fluctuating over time and their BMI fluctuating along with that weight over time. And then we also have sign in, sign out, and forgot password. And those are the main portions of the app that we built. So thank you. I'll kick it back over to Mohit. Or Google, sorry.
Yep, thanks, Nate. So yes, so this was our application. Now, Nate, if you could pull up the technology stack, I can walk through the technology stack and the architecture that we use. So the tech stack that we use, our front end is based on the Twitter Bootstrap CSS framework, while our back end is based on Ruby on Rails with a Postgres SQL database. All of this is hosted on Heroku Cloud Platform, and we use GitHub SVN for our all source code management. With all of this in place, we use the state-of-the-art Web 2.0 technologies to make this thing possible, to keep the collaborative effort going on so that all of us can work together on it. And our functioning application is hosted on Heroku, which everybody can access, and we have shared the credentials with the TAs as well to access it. If we can go to the architecture stack, just next slide. So here you see the technology stack as well as the architecture stack, how the patients and the external FHIR system interact with our web-based front end, and the data layer, which comprises of our PostgreSDB as well as data models comprising of FHIR systems. We also have capability of exporting the information that is there to JSON for interoperability. So all in all, it's an easy-to-use application, can be used on multiple devices, can be integrated with existing FHIR system, and has capabilities of being integrated with other systems as well. Thank you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Nate and Mohit. And that's our quick demo of the application and a quick walkthrough of our technology stack. Rest of the presentation, as well as a one-page write-up, is available for the teaching assistants as well as instructors to view. We hope you enjoyed our project. Thanks a lot.